Welcome back to the next part of Sansana. I think it's gonna be part 39. I did all the work here at the bow. I put the heads in, and I put some doors in and some latches or hatches, I guess it is. These you have to handcraft yourself. So that's what you just saw. Next up, I'm thinking, I don't know if I can do the entire bow. I would have really loved to do so. But these are the next steps that you have to put these in. It's gonna be two more that's gonna come in, and then do all the strips going from the forecastle and then down to the water breaker. However, I need to do the I don't know what these are called, that goes from here and out, and you need to do that by hand as well. They don't come pre-made, so you need to do it yourself. But I'm skipping in the plan, so there's a lot of stuff that's already been built up here that I still haven't built. So I don't know, if I'm just gonna leave this here as it is and then gonna start doing the rudder, or if I can build onward here, because I need these, because I have some stuff that comes from here and goes up here, and some other stuff that needs to be done. But I don't know if I need the stuff here first, and I need to build here first before I do these. But I'm gonna figure it out. So either way, I'm gonna continue with the bow, or I'm gonna continue with the or not continue. I'm gonna do the rudder, which is something that I really want to get done, actually, because I would need to turn the ship over and use a hammer to get that sorted. Also the pipes that I'm gonna use for the lanterns has come. I also bought the artisanal pipe bender, which is a piece of crap tool, to be honest. This is it. You need to assemble it yourself. There are no drawings, there are no plans, so you need to watch the video on how to do it. And what it does is that, well, it bends the pipe, but it actually just, I don't know if you can see it, but it just flattens the pipe, really, instead of bending it, and I'm not very happy with that. So I need to wait to order a new pipe bender, because this is absolutely crap. I don't know why they think that was a good idea, but it's crap. So I can only recommend not buying it. There are some other pipe benders that I can buy elsewhere. So anyways, this is it for this time. It's been a long video. It's taken quite some time to build all of this. I'm pretty happy about it. There are some things that I think that could be better, but my whole ship kind of is a little bit crooked, I think. So these are not completely in line with how they're supposed to be once you put the bowsprit on. I also drilled the hole, 8mm hole. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's gonna be how high the bowsprit is gonna get, or the angle of the bowsprit. So yeah, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna continue with the bow or if I'm gonna do the rudder. But anyways, thank you for this time, and it's gonna be a long video. I'm sorry about that. See you next time. Cheers.